It's very, very important that we let our congressman know. He has previously voted for a budget that could cut Medicaid by up to $800 billion. There are 63,000 children in his district who rely on Medicaid and almost 200,000 adults. So it's really, really important that we let our congressman know our message.
I am here today because our kids are under attack. Let me repeat that. Our babies, our children are under attack. Right now, Congressman Kevin Kiley and others in Washington are backing a reckless plan to cut $880 billion from Medicaid. That's Medi-Cal in California. That means slashing Medi-Cal for California's families.
36% of children in Kevin Kiley's district are on Medi-Cal. These children are your neighbors. They are your students. They are your patients. They are your children's friends. They could be your children. Not having health insurance doesn't mean you don't get sick. If it did, I'd say get rid of your health insurance. I would. It just means that when you get sick, your care will be delayed. It will be much more expensive. It will be much harder to treat. So not having health insurance doesn't prevent disease.
Children, we hear a lot of words from the government about, oh, this is all about waste, fraud, and abuse. Our children are not waste, fraud, and abuse, right? We need to take care of our children. We need to take care of our families. And we are not talking about children in Los Angeles or San Francisco. We're talking about our own kids right here. Over 1/3 of our children here in Placer County are on Medi-Cal. Those are our neighbors, people from our church, people we see in the grocery store every day.
I see how access to medical care is far from a luxury, but the most basic necessity. We know that there is a possibility of an average life expectancy on your agenda, Representative Kiley. Healthcare is an expansion about caring about others and basic human empathy and wanting others to be healthy. When you take away healthcare, science shows how the system shatters. Crime will skyrocket, business and stocks will plummet. We can't learn or work, and drug use will increase to self-medicate. Be proactive and not reactive. Invest in protecting your district and raise up community.
We hope that Kevin Kiley takes notice, because he's absent from all the different town halls and things that we've been calling for, and only does it by phone. And we're hoping that he will listen and finally grow a spine.
Well, I'm a primary care physician, and I'm on sick leave right now because my asthma is terrible, and I feel terrible for people who can't get access to primary care, and if they make more cuts to Medicaid, there's going to be even more people who can't access simple primary care, and more people will end up in hospitals, and costs will go up, and people will end up being much more sick than they need to be. Parents will see their kids struggling to breathe, as we heard today, when you can't get on control or asthma medicine, and it's terrible what Congress is contemplating doing, and the moment is now to stand up and prevent Congress from making a terrible decision. So we all need to speak up for our kids. As a mother, I don't want to see any cuts to Medicaid, and as a physician, it doesn't make any sense to me. So I'm here today to speak out against this.